Uncovering the mystery. Something's fishy, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Something's fishy. It's a quirky expression, isn't it? But what does it actually mean? And how can you use it in your daily English? Stick around as we explore the origins, meaning, and use of this fishy phrase. The phrase, something's fishy, is a colloquial expression in English used to indicate that something is suspicious or not quite right. When someone says this, they mean that they believe there is more to a situation than meets the eye, suggesting that something might be hidden or that deception is at play. It's similar to saying something doesn't smell right, linking back to the idea that fish can have a strong, unpleasant smell when they're not fresh. Ever wondered where this fishy phrase came from? While its exact origins are a bit murky, the analogy likely stems from the association of fish with deceit and suspicion in various cultures, thanks to their slippery nature and the fact that fish can spoil quickly, emitting a suspicious smell. This expression has been used in English for centuries, capturing the essence of doubt and mistrust in a vivid, sensory way. Now, let's get practical. Using something's fishy is straightforward. It's typically used to express doubt or suspicion. Here are a few examples to help you get the hang of it. I thought the deal was too good to be true, and now I can't contact the seller. Something's fishy. He said he was at work all night, but his clothes smell like perfume. Something's fishy. The story just doesn't add up. Something's fishy here, and I intend to find out what. Notice how in each case, the speaker senses deception or inconsistency and uses the phrase to highlight their suspicion. English is rich with expressions, and something's fishy is no exception. You might also hear variations like fishy business or it smells fishy. All these variations convey a similar sense of doubt or suspicion, though their use might slightly differ in context. Feel free to experiment with these expressions in your conversations. And there you have it, a deep dive into the expression, something's fishy. We've uncovered its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to express suspicion in English. It's a fun and expressive way to convey doubt, adding a bit of flavor to your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your English-speaking adventures. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep exploring and expanding your horizons. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.